Why your website needs to be professionally designed and developed. Hello everyone, my name is Priyesh Deokar, and in this channel we talk about website design and development. If that interests you, consider subscribing. It is no secret that many businesses like you struggle with an outdated designed website which has lots of broken links and a weak search engine optimization. It can lead you to a lots of financial losses because whenever a visitor lands on your website first of all is not appealing to the visitor. It is making your visitor frustrated because the visitor is not easily able to navigate like where they have to choose the next and to know more about the services. And thirdly, your website is not able to accessible from the customer because your website is not on the search engine. So I know you don't want all of these hassles and want a website which looks appealing to your visitors, which can rank and which can really bring sale for your business. On the other hand, professionally designed website can bring more sales because it is visually looking amazing. Plus, it also ranks on the search engine and it provides a great user experience so that if I have landed on one of the professionally and beautifully designed website, I can see, wow, this thing looks good, and I just scroll down and all because it just hooked me onto the website, which is why you need a professional design website. Let's talk about the main components by which you can also optimize your website. Professionally designed website can help your business stand out from all of the competition because it has all these three components working completely fine. The complete designing of the website, layout, search engine optimization. If all of these three things are on point, your website will be more competitive and can outperform all of your competitors and can be as the top. With all these things making right, you can attract more customers and which will in return give you more visibility and more sales. But what are the components of a well website design is? Loading speed of a website, easy navigation, responsiveness, and the complete search engine optimization. Let's talk more about this in detail. User-friendly design is all about creating a website which is easy for the visitor to scan and can understand what are the contents a website contain and what are the services you provide, what are the products you're selling, and what is the main benefits out of which they can get, what is the main transformation which they can get out of your products and services. So the whole component, the whole structure of the website needs to be on point so that it drives people to the sale. Create a visually appealing website. You need to make sure all of these things are on point. A great branding. Choose a great branding in terms of colors, a perfectly sized font and a font family, quality images, graphics and videos so that you can explain all of your technical terms and technical stuff out of your products and services to your customers easily. Lastly, a great headline to hook your visitors. Using a website can result into a great success in terms of huge traffic, in terms of huge customer interaction, and in terms of higher brand awareness amongst your visitor because your website is in top position of Google. After listening all this, you will be so confused how exactly you can design your whole complete business website by your own. Let me dissect it for you. You have to follow this two-step process. First of all, go through your competitors' website and see what they are doing good, what is making their website good enough from your website and from the other competitors. Choose the perfect website, analyze it, and note down all the components on a one sheet. Secondly, focus on the branding of your company, which includes images, your logo, your color, your font size, and everything. After your branding is done, combine both of these things, a perfectly designed website, a great branding. Mix them and your perfectly designed website is ready. Now your website has a good hook, a good copy, a easily scannable layout, a collection of good quality media in terms of videos, graphics, and images, and a proper navigation. And if you think it's all tough, I have a solution for you. You can hire me for the complete designing and development of your website, which will be included a proper funnel building so that each and every visitor which is landing on your website get converted and leads into your sale, and plus a custom copy which will be specially written for you so that you drive 100% conversion rate from your website. So if you want to reach out to me, you can DM me on my Instagram or you can write me a mail shown on your screen, and I would love to hear more from you. So thanks a lot for watching this video. I would see you in the next video.